Hi, my name's Dave Linthicum, and today I'm going to talk to you about 3 things you should know about cloud computing. Number 1 is your ability to monitor and manage your cloud solution. So we have the ability to manage our cloud instances, or a single cloud at a time. However, as we grow through the years, our solutions are going to become more complex. In fact, we're going to reach something called a tipping point, and that's when the number of cloud resources and cloud services becomes too numerous to manage with our unautomated and manual infrastructure that we're using these days, our tool sets. So ultimately, you have to put an abstraction layer between yourself and the complexity of these solutions that are growing more complex over time. And the only way to do that is with a sound monitoring and management tool. Number 2 is security. A secure cloud is always a proactive cloud. The ability for the clouds themselves to understand when they're getting attacked and what to do to prevent the attack is absolutely essential to being secure in the cloud these days. The DDoS attacks that are occurring, denial of services, where they're getting attacked in order to saturate their resources so other people can't get in and leverage those services, which affected major cloud services worldwide. Well, in order to combat that, the cloud environment itself has to see those behaviors occurring, has to see those processes ramping up, has to see those patterns that are really replicating a security vector attack that's going to disturb service and be able to take corrective action, such as blocking an IP address or removing a user directly from the system before humans can intervene. And number 3, organizational changes. Organizations need to change around the use of cloud computing. Ultimately, we've had several technology cycles over the years, the rise of the PC, the rise of the internet, and now the rise of cloud computing. Each time we've done that, we've changed the organization in terms of how we do things, skills, development, how we take technology into the market. The talent and the skills mix needs to change, but most importantly, the culture around leveraging cloud-based assets that you may not control have to take precedence in the organization. You have to be able to put a layer of abstraction between yourself and all this complexity and all this change that's occurring, be able to manage it effectively, and you have to have talent and cultures within the organization that can embrace these kinds of management changes, can embrace these new technologies, and really take them to the next level. So this is not only about automating things, this is not only about IT, this is about changing the function of your enterprise and the way it functions. Ultimately, how it's going to take IT and turn it into a strategic asset that's going to change the way in which they do business. And that's the name of the game. So look forward to a lot of changes that occur in the next 5 years and enjoy the ride.